Welcome to Reggae My Lighties. I'm your host, Cool T. Now, make me ask you a question. Michael Chen, Joseph Matalan, Usain Bolt, and Tanto Blacks, what all of them have in common? Them really rich. But mirror, mirror on the wall, who is the richest of them all? Put your ears to the speaker and listen closely as me tell you the top 10 richest people in Jamaica. And bear in mind, all figures are quoted in US dollars. Rolling in at number 10, them call him Mr. Bombastic, say him fantastic. And Shaggy's bank account is very fantastic. With a net worth of $14 million, Shaggy is showing his no Scooby-Doo. Now, Shaggy's net worth has been built on him being one of dancehall's most successful artists internationally, securing 3 Billboard Top 10 singles with Mr. Bombastic in 1995, It Wasn't Me and Angel in 2000. Add his Grammy-winning collaborative album 44876 with Sting and you will see why Shaggy got stung by the bees like December 26. Shaggy making the top 10 richest Jamaicans list at number 10. Number 9, Joseph John Issa. Now, Joseph John Issa started his first business at age 30, which was the Cool Oasis gas station. Using the gas station as his fuel, Joseph John Issa wasted no time in pressing gas to expand his business, not breaking up or gearing down in increasing his wealth. Cool Oasis' parent company, Cool Group, is presently the biggest Jamaican-owned operator of gas stations in the island. And after moving into automotive and household products, Cool Group controls over 50 companies island-wide, and each company adds to Joseph John Issa's net worth of $16 million, making him the 9th richest person in Jamaica. Just give me the light and make me shine it on number 8, Sean Paul. Now, like Shaggy, Sean Paul is a dancehall globetrotter. He wastes no time to get busy, and his international success makes Sean Paul a money magnet. No lie, it's like Sean Paul just reach out and said to money, hold my hand, then money just stick to it like glue. Then Sean Paul say, got to love you with mad love. That's the connection that Sean Paul has with money. It's presidential, and with a net worth of $25 million, Sean Paul is one of Jamaica's richest. Racing in at number 7, Usain Bolt. Now, SSL might thief a trailer load of Usain Bolt investments, but the fastest man in the world still can't run out of cash. Just ask Tango. With an estimated net worth of $90 million, Usain Bolt money load like thunder. And me no need to tell you that Usain Bolt's fortune come from track and field. The man win 8 Olympic medals and have the world records in the 100 meters, 200 meters and 4x1 relays. So majority of Bolt's fast cash comes from competition earnings, appearance fees and endorsement deals with brands like Puma, which is a lifetime sponsor, Visa and Zoom. All adding up to see Bolt run away with a net worth of $90 million, making him the 7th richest Jamaican. Number 6 on the list, Chris Blackwell. Now, although Peter Tosh and Bob Marley had issues with him, Island Records founder Chris Blackwell played a big role in Bob Marley and the Wailers catch a fire overseas. And of course, that relationship would contribute to the financial gain for Blackwell. Add his earning as owner of Island Records and his current venture as hotel owner in Jamaica, Bahamas and Florida, then you will understand why Chris Blackwell, with a net worth of $180 million, makes the rich list at number 6. Time for the $1 billion club. The next 3 spots on the list sees 3 persons with a net worth of $1 billion. Number 5 enters the first woman, Paula Carr Jarrett. Lawyer and former politician, Paula Carr Jarrett ties with Blossom O'Meally Nelson as Jamaica's richest woman. Since 1991, Paula Carr Jarrett serves as company director at Barnett Limited, which is a family-owned real estate company. Number 4, Wayne Chen. Call me $1 billion man. Now that must be Wayne Chen's favorite line from over the song. Wayne Chen is Michael Chen's half brother, and it goes to show richness runs in that half of the family. Now, Wayne Chen's cheddar comes from his dealings with food as the CEO for Super Plus food stores. Adding to Chen's wealth is his role as chairman of NCB Insurance Company Limited and West Indies Trust Company. Wayne Chen is also director of NCB Cayman and AIC Barbados, companies owned by his brother Michael Lee Chin. Number 3. Blossom Omili Nelson. Now, the second lady on the rich list is the first lady of Jamaica's postal services. In 2000, Blossom Omili became the first female postmaster general of Jamaica. Her net worth of $1 billion sees her tie with Paula Cartwright as the richest woman in Jamaica. Coming in at number 2, Michael Lee Chin. As me say, Michael Lee Chin is Wayne Chen's half brother, and Lee Chin is $500 million richer than his half brother. Michael Lee Chin's net worth of $1.6 billion comes from his accumulated business ventures, including National Commercial Bank, where he has 65% shares, and the Canadian company AIC Limited, which he bought in 1987. Lee Chin, who is also a Canadian citizen, is the chairman of Portland Holdings Incorporation, which owns the Trident Hotel in the Portland, Michael Lee Chin's birth parish. And coming in at number 1, topping the list, the richest person in Jamaica is Joseph Matalan. His net worth is estimated at $3.6 billion. That's it, $3.6 billion. Matalan's wealth is built on his position as chairman of investment company ICD Group Holdings and chairman of RGR Gleaner Communications Group. Joseph Matalan's riches is also generated from his role as former president of the private sector organization of Jamaica and chairman of the Development Bank of Jamaica, making him a $3.6 billion man, the richest man in Jamaica. So that's the list, the top 10 richest Jamaicans in 2023. Tell me in the comment section if you're surprised by the list, who you expected to be on the list, and who you didn't expect it to be on it. Now remember to like and share this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell as well. I'm your host, Cool T.
Reggae, my like this. So button the people, show you like this.